Hello and welcome to How to Play Baker's Dozen, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the solitaire card game Baker's Dozen. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, then get into more of the details for the game. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. The game is set up by making 13 stacks of 4 cards each face up. Start by laying out 13 face-up cards. Then, add a card on top of the previous card with the bottom card still visible. Once each stack has 4 cards, move all the kings to be the bottom card in their stack. The object of the game is to get all the cards into their foundation pile. A foundation pile is started with an ace and is built up to the king. There are 4 foundation piles, 1 for each suit. The game begins by making available moves. Cards can be moved from one stack to another if the card being moved is 1 rank lower than the card it's being moved onto. The suits of the cards do not matter. Only the top card of a stack can be moved. Once an ace is open, it can be moved to start its foundation pile. Once a foundation pile is started, the next card in sequence can be added to the foundation pile when available. The player will continue to make open moves with the goal of moving all cards to their foundation pile. Only the top card of a stack can be moved, even if the cards are in sequence within a stack. Once a stack is emptied, the open space remains empty. No cards can be moved to it. Once a card is put into a foundation pile, it cannot be returned to a stack. If a player is able to move all the cards to the foundation piles, the game is won. If a player gets stuck with no available moves to make, the game is lost. That wraps up How to Play Baker's Dozen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!